Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Jason, I'm a prop trader. I'm always keeping an eye on what's going on in the prop trading industry and bringing you guys the latest news or the changes with the prop firms. So it's been a while since I've done anything on the prop trading. They're Australian-based prop trading firms, started probably about February, March this year, and they got off to an absolute flyer. They had a lot of negativity around some of their customer services, but now we're sort of 8 months down the line. Thought I'd take another quick look, see how things have changed and if they are really making the improvements they said they would from the beginning. So when these guys came on the scene and really started to shake it up, they had the cheapest by far $200,000 challenge. They had one of the lowest percentage gains in the phase 1 and phase 2, and a lot of people signed up very, very quickly. And also the rumours came out as all a big scam, they're going nowhere, there's no payout proof. But as always, new prop firms take a while to get established, and eventually after 2-3 months there's lots of payout proof and things looking good. There's still the whole downside around their customer support was nowhere near capable of providing the level of quality that people were expecting, considering they've come from other prop firms in the past, and it took a while for them to get that on board. There's still some delays in getting account details, etc., but they're definitely 1,000 times better than they were at the start. So the other thing they said they're going to provide from the start was a dashboard. They're going to provide the best metrics so all the traders can go and see exactly what's going on, and yes, definitely that is now launched. If you go to their YouTube channel, there's a fantastic explanation of how it's all put together, how it's all structured, where you can get all the information you need to see, so how you can track your progress in phase 1 and phase 2. You can get a breakdown on all the percentage winning trades or your losing trades and get some fantastic information to be able to make improvements to your own trading so you can go through and pass their challenges. So with any prop firm, it's really key to read all their FAQs, and the two things that caught a lot of people out, and actually caught myself out originally, was that you cannot trade crypto over a weekend and you cannot trade oil. And there's a number of people who got caught out. They messaged me saying how bad it was. They actually did 1 or 2 trades on oil by mistake almost. Didn't make any money, but then because of that was a violation of the rules and the accounts was instantly deactivated and they failed. So personally, I'd always like to see one warning if you've done a rule violation, especially if it's only a small one. So for me, I did actually just test the fact that could you trade crypto over a weekend. I didn't read the FAQs, that was my mistake. And I did get an email at the time saying you have done this violation. I assumed it was a case of, fine, I can get a retake if I don't actually meet all the parameters. And then it came back and said, no, you've had that violation and we're actually not going to let you do it. So again, that wasn't great for me. But again, because they've made the FAQs a lot clearer, it's a lot clearer on their front page screens and in the FAQs, that shouldn't be happening to people in the future. They've also made some changes to the parameters for actually passing, and most notably, you don't need to do the 10-day minimum trading. You can actually pass in 1 day effectively. So you can literally, if you place one good trade, hit your target, you are done on that particular phase. So have a look at the website and see how they're all structured. So these are the options they offer. Now we've got a 50,000, 100,000 and 200,000 challenge. As always, the best value, according to them, is a $200,000 challenge, which obviously is the most expensive. But when you look at the actual price per dollar, it's actually probably the best value overall. So what they do on their website is actually give a dollar target to actually meet the objectives rather than a percentage. It's easy to work out. So we can see from the profit target 1 in step 1, that is a $16,000. On a $200,000 account, that's 8%. The second phase, profit target 2, is $10,000, 5%. Maximum loss, $20,000. So again, that is a 10% maximum loss. Maximum daily loss, $10,000, 5%. So we now see there's no minimum trading days. A lot of other prop firms will bring it down to 5. It doesn't make a lot of difference really whether it's 5 days, 10 days, because if you do manage to get the target in day 1, you can just place some simple trades throughout the rest of the period just to get over that 10-day hurdle. And what we have seen is the price increase. Originally it was $799. That was always going to be an introductory one. That lasted for about 6 months anyway, so it's now up to $899. So I'd always say check out the FAQs if you're ever looking to sign up. For example, do they allow EAs? Yes, they do. Copy trading allowed. You are allowed to use copy trading, but providing it's from another account, not within the actual the prop trading accounts from one to another. Can I get a free retrial? Yes, if you haven't violated any of the rules, you can get up to 2 evaluation retries. So as we can see, the prop trading made some fantastic improvements over the past 6 months, and hopefully they're going to continue to make improvements over the future. I think obviously what a lot of people want to see is potentially payments in Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. That's always a big ask from a lot of the traders out there. But definitely I'm seeing a lot of payout proof. That's obviously evident if you look at their Instagram as well. You can see who the biggest payouts are each month. I think last month they did a $40,000 payout to somebody. And that just shows that there's strength behind the prop firm and there's a definite positivity to see that prop firms are able to survive and strive in the recent market where we've seen a lot of prop firms potentially going under or having financial challenges. So for me, I'm just waiting for another time to do an evaluation with them. At the moment, I'm busy with FTMO funded account as well as my Forex funds challenge. Once I've settled those down, I've actually got some spare time, I'll definitely look to do another challenge with them, because the benefits of having another $200,000 account with another prop firm, just spreading the load across all of them, definitely is more beneficial to me. So I hope you enjoyed my quick update on the prop trading. They are definitely making some huge improvements from where they were when they launched back in February, March. And I really do hope it continues for the next 6 months or a year so they can become one of the best established prop firms in the industry. See you all again next video. Cheers.